All right, guys, let's jump into it. Welcome to another My Legion Secret video. It's Monday. We're going to be talking about specifically how to actually use My Legion Secret. Should you be using it for services or products that are not in ClickBank or Warrior Plus? So one of the things that I want to mention is that you guys have been following not just me, but other people's journey. A lot of people focus on ClickBank offers. A lot of people like myself focus also on Warrior Plus, and some of us do both Warrior Plus and ClickBank with My Legion. Now, in a nutshell, My Legion Secret is an offer that is giving you email leads that you can email out every single day, and you can send these emails to offers or services. Now, if you want to, guys, if you want to see more of the trainings that I have, how I'm applying it, so on and so forth, the links are all in the description of this video, and I also pin the link to My Legion Secret in the main comment below, the pinned comment below. But basically, it gives you 100 leads every day. It's our jobs as marketers to convert those leads into sales. Okay, yes, it costs you $60 first month to get started, and then the following months after that it'll cost you $30 to maintain. Now, this is a method that I use literally for within 30 minutes every single day. I get done with it. So it's not a set and forget method, but definitely it's easier than going out and creating content and posting that content, making sure that everything is running well and smoothly, and you're answering comments. And there's a lot to be done here. It takes 30 minutes and that's it. You don't need to talk to anybody. You can just literally wake up in the morning, send out an email, and that is it. So it's an email marketing heaven in my way, because it solves two problems. One, it gives me 100 leads every day, which saves me a lot of time. And two, it's also giving me a space where I can practice my email marketing and get better at my email marketing for the long term. As an affiliate marketer, that is perfect. Now, it is not a product that's going to make you rich. It is a product that can potentially give you an extra $300 to $500 every single month. It's been doing it for me as well, maybe even $1,000 every single month. But today I want to specifically answer the question that I've been getting a lot. If My Legion Secrets leads convert, why do we see only people focusing on Warrior Plus? Why do we see people only focusing on ClickBank? Why do we see people just focusing on My Legion Secret? Because we promote the product itself to their leads. Well, because those are the easier options available. Because that means your mind is confused. Maybe they're the easier options available. But if you understand why or what leads you're getting, you can literally convert these leads into any offer. Let me explain to you. My Legion Secret offers co-registration leads first and foremost. So they're not the highest quality leads. Don't expect every single day to make sales. You're going to make sales, but it's going to take you some time to show up consistently before you actually make those sales. So that's the first thing. The second thing that I want you to understand is that it is your offers that you're sharing to My Legion Secret leads should be in the make money online space, or softwares which can solve a problem for marketers or people who are in the make money online space. Okay, so MMO niche or business opportunity niche, which means that once you do that and solve that problem, and I'm going to show you guys how to actually function with other elements. So let's say that you are in other platforms and you want to get those other platforms to get some affiliate commissions and available for you, right? So I'm going to share with you. First, let's go on and talk about system.io. So to give you an example, let's use a software first. I want to use the complicated one so that you guys can understand. So this is a software that I personally use to build my whole affiliate marketing system. It builds my sales funnels. It builds everything that is needed in my courses, my training. Everything is done within system.io itself. Beautiful, right? It's a free tool. So I can easily send this free tool out to My Legion Secret and get people to sign up. But that doesn't mean if they join as a free member that they will know how to use the tool and I will get a payment from that. So how do I leverage the fact that you get 60% commissions, affiliate commissions, if you get somebody to join system.io on the paid plans, and that's a recurring payment. Remember, we already tried to use, or people have shown you guys on the internet as well, on YouTube as well, that recurring payments work with My Legion Secret, whether it's My Legion Secret product itself, because they're spending $30 every single month. I have on average, each person who owns My Legion Secrets on my affiliates list, which are leads from My Legion Secret itself, they last for about maybe 6 months. So around 6 months maximum, I know that I have recurring payments of $5 that are coming in from those leads within My Legion Secret. With system.io, that would be $16 per month, more or less. I would be getting. I think so. That's the case. Let me check. 60% off. I believe it's 27, right? So that's $16 and something, $16.20. Okay. So that would be recurring payments. So imagine if I just get 3 recurring payments every single month, right? So that would be, I could easily make an extra $48 per month if I get 3 payments every month. And let's say they stay for the next 6 months, that 3 compounds into the next, the next month would be, you would make 6 payments. Okay. So let's say into 6, or let's say into 9 totally, because in the third month you'll make 9 payments. Say you get you now get $145 per month every single month. So the moment you know that, okay, now I have at least active affiliates on system.io, if I want to make 500, let's say 500 divided by 16.2, that would mean 30 active referrals, right? So if once you get 30 active referrals into system.io, you know that you're making at least $500 a month on system.io. So you can see the logic behind it, but the aim is to get them to that startup plan. And you can ask system.io to send you a link like this, which they did for me personally. I asked them, can you please send me the sign up page for specifically the startup plan, monthly plan, because the monthly plan is, as you can see right here, $27. Okay, so let me show you. Price should be available. Go down. I think if you click on get started, you have to enter my payment details, but it's not telling me the price, which is very strange. Anyways, this is $27 for this startup plan, where you get all of these features available. You're free to cancel at any point of time, and so on and so forth. But it is $27, right? So that's what they're paying for over here. Maybe that's the reason why it's not available. I might ask assistant to send me another link. But this is something that you can share with them. And if they sign up to this, you're basically making $16 per month, right? So this is what you can do, or you can get the affiliate links from the annual plans, but this is what is basically what you're getting, right? So that's what we're using. And you can create a recurring payment here. Understood? You can use each and every one of these. So this is a tool that I personally would use because of few factors. One, it is very easy tool to use. And if they have any questions, they can always reach out to you at any point of time through the tool itself. And that's why it is cool. The second reason is that it is under $60 for you to get started. So this tool, if I'm sharing this $27 per month, that is under $60. The reason why I'm saying that it's under $60 is because if these leads start with My Legion Secret, they have to at least pay $60 the first month. It would mean that it's in the range that I call it, at least within the buying range of the leads within My Legion Secret. So that's why I would share this. And lastly, I would go now, moving from a software, I would go to another service that is OLSP. So let's say you're in OLSP system and you want to start sharing OLSP system to My Legion Secret leads. You can. Okay. And I want to say that I have been getting results with OLSP as well, to sharing to My Legion Secret leads and getting conversions. And I've not been focusing on it. So basically, when I write my email, at the end of the email, I put a PS link. The emails that I'm writing are for a clickbank offer, not for OLSP. But I basically say, in case you're not interested in this clickbank offer and you want to focus more on affiliate marketing, then this is a challenge that I recommend you to see. Now, within OLSP, you can get access actually to commission generator and evergreen offers, out of which this offer right here, which is an evergreen offer, it is a challenge offer. Okay, so this is if you understand the logic behind it, I wouldn't send anything else to My Legion Secrets leads. So within OLSP itself, you have all of these evergreen offers. But why would I send a 300 videos offers? I don't even know if I can earn anything from this. Let's actually see. I can earn 30% if I'm a mega link owner. Okay, so let's see this 300 conquering fear videos that you can get. Let's say this is an offer that maybe could be an option, and it's only $12.95. So this is an option that is also available. I don't mind sending this option to, which is, people getting viral TikTok shorts and so on and so forth. It is a product. They're getting 300 videos that they can utilize for their entire, content marketing. This is a good offer actually for My Legion Secret. Or I used, for example, this offer right here, which is a 24-hour challenge. So let me just exit this. It's a 24-hour challenge, and it is just basically a $7 offer, 3 steps, and that's it. This converts. This I know converts, but I will also try this out because it's an offer that makes sense. So within OLSP itself, I wouldn't go and share the mockup engine. I wouldn't share click design lifetime. I wouldn't even share this list building and magic link. I would rather share something like a 24-hour challenge or directly mega link side hustle. Okay, these are the two ones that I would personally share to my Legion Secret. Why? Because they have a logic behind it. Now imagine me getting in this scenario, I would get 30% of of that $12, which is doesn't really make sense for me, because if I go 30% of $12.95, that's $3. Why would I want a $3 commission when I can make a $7 commission, right? So the idea behind using my Legion Secrets for other services and offers makes sense. You just have to think of the logic of, this is in the MMO niche. Am I either sending them a challenge and either sending them a software that's going to help with their conversions or improve their affiliate marketing? You have to think of the customer that's available. If you do that, you can easily send it. I would never, and I have not sent people directly to my OLSP link right here. So if I go to my OLSP link, the main OLSP link, which is the mega link, right? You're going to this page right here. Let me show you guys. You're going to this page right here. I personally don't send anybody to this page. Why? Because this is create a free account. If they see create a free OLSP account and they create a free OLSP account, they're not going to be ready to pay that amount, which should directly to a sales page. First and foremost, because here there are 2 steps involved. They have to enter the email address and then they go to the sales page. Here, however, yes, they have to enter the email address, but they already are on the sales page. And when they click over here, then they need to enter the email address. Okay, so they already are making that buying decision to be able to get started and go to step 2. I like personally this concept better, which is why I share this concept to them, and it works for me personally. But this is the type of offers other than ClickBank and other than Warrior Plus that you could use. So if you don't have an OLSP, I'll leave a link to OLSP also in the description of this video. You can get started there, try it out with your My Legion Secrets, and see how it's working for you. Personally, for myself, as you guys can see, in the month of November, I'm only showing you November, I've got 3 sales for My Legion Secrets, all on the 24-hour challenge. So I know that it's converting. They have basically been 6 days apart. One was 10 days apart, but I'm putting them in a PS link. I'm not really promoting them. So without taking that much effort, I'm still making sales. That's just to get the concept in. I hope it makes sense for you guys, and I hope you value that opinion as well. Have a great day. Keep aiming the way for your dreams so I'm true. If you do have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.